And welcome back. The vastly improved 5-year-old chestnut horse Will in Charge inflicted the third career defeat on reigning horse of the year She's a Man Eater to land Saturday's 46th running of the Carl's Tomato Catch-Up Gold Cup over 7 furlongs at Caymanas Park. Spencer Darlington was there and filed this report.
Well, the reigning horse of the year, She's a Man Eater, did not get a brilliant start. Post position 1 and the big weight also appeared to have weighed against her on the afternoon. But take nothing away from the Robert Pearson trained Will in Charge, who performed absolutely brilliantly on the day. It was the Anthony Babanunes pair of Siempre Bueno and Houdini's Magic who alternated the lead before giving way to Will in Charge 4 furlongs out.
The Will in Charge, She's a Man Eater, now moving into second quickly over another bullet. Chase the Great is hugging the rail and cuts the corner as the Gold Cup field will arrive at the 5/16th. Further back to Houdini's Magic and Perfect Neighbor, then Siempre Bueno, but they turn for home, and it's Will in Charge at the top of the lane. She's a Man Eater now unleashed toward the outside. Chase the Great is over on the rail, right alongside another bullet, but Will in Charge continues to power on. A furlong to run. Will in Charge in the Gold Cup. She's a Man Eater not finding enough. Another bullet in between horses. Chase the Great over on the rail, and it's Will in Charge. Large and in charge. Will in Charge will win the 46th running of the Carl's Tomato Catch-Up Gold Cup. It's close. Another bullet looks to be second over She's a Man Eater.
Will in Charge was scoring his 4th win of the season and his 2nd over She's a Man Eater, and came home in a brilliant 1:23-1 to win by 4 lengths.
Yeah, the trainer just say watch the lead. If they're slowing down the pace, do my thing. If not, sit. Thanks to the trainer. I presented his horse very well. Thanks to the owner. Hats off to Robert Pearson.
Okay, we expected the win. He trained brilliantly, and I mean, he was coming to run and he performed today.
Francia's Pride created a mile upset at 10-1 to land the overnight allowance contest over 9 furlongs and 25 yards.
Simply outrageous, right back there in 5th, some 4.5 lengths off the lead. Driven along, that's a Biblical Legend asked to close up. My Ellie Bell is edging closer all the while, but still has a lot to do along with Supertronics. And being pulled up, Lucky Stroke, overtaken by Leak Out as the leaders come thundering into the lane. It is Francia's Pride. Here now on the outside is Bruce Wayne put to the left-hand stick, and Bruce Wayne gets that lead over Francia's Pride. Simply Outrageous asked to get rolling along with Biblical Legend. My Ellie Bell is left way out on the outside. Supertronics has made ground against the rail, but it is Bruce Wayne who holds the lead. Francia's Pride rallying. Supertronics looking for room against the rail. Francia's Pride. Here is Biblical Legend. Francia's Pride hanging on to win it. Close. Could be Supertronic second over Bruce Wayne.
Apprentice Tevin Foster had a 3-timer to highlight Saturday's 10-race program. The holiday weekend of racing continues on Monday with an 11-race card. Reporting from Caymanas Park, I'm Spencer Darlington for TVJ Sports.